expected until 8 p.m.
Yeah.
This watch includes the following counties in Illinois.
Alright, come on.
Carroll, Cook, DeKalb.
Oh, yeah.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Van Buren to near Ustic to near Leon Corners, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Sterling, Rock Falls, Prophetstown, Leonard, Milledgeville, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, Linden, Chadwick, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Ladot, Coletta, Emerson, Lauren, and Rock Road. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 27 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm.